In the vastness of the cosmos, our home star, the Sun, is but one among billions. Yet, surrounding us in the quiet expanse of space, lies a small family of stars, our stellar neighborhood, each with its own story, its own light, and its own mysteries waiting to be understood. The journey begins at home with the Sun. A warm yellow star, it is the heart of our solar system, bathing Earth in light and life. It is more than just a star. It is the anchor of our existence, a constant reminder of stability in the ever-shifting night sky. Beyond our Sun, the first star to greet us is Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away. A faint red dwarf, invisible to the naked eye, yet close enough to feel like a cosmic neighbor. Around it orbits Proxima b, a rocky planet resting in the so-called habitable zone. Could it harbor life? Or does its parent star's flares strip away any hope of atmosphere? Proxima Centauri is not a solitary traveler. It belongs to the Alpha Centauri system, a trio of stars bound together in a slow, graceful dance. Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B shine like twin beacons in the southern sky. Together, they form a binary pair, their gravity locked in an endless embrace. Somewhere in their warmth, astronomers suspect planets may orbit, worlds bathed in sunlight not too different from our own. For centuries, Alpha Centauri has been a symbol of hope, the first target for interstellar dreams, the imagined destination of future explorers. Slightly farther lies Barnard's star, a small, cool red dwarf, drifting across the heavens faster than most. It is among the oldest stars in our neighborhood, nearly twice the age of our Sun. A survivor from a time when the galaxy was young. Barnard's star once teased astronomers with the possibility of a planet, a whisper in the data, a hint of something hidden. Though uncertain, the possibility lingers, like an unspoken promise from a quiet, ancient traveler. Next, we find Wolf 359, another red dwarf, faint and almost ghost-like, only 7.8 light-years away, yet invisible without a telescope. To the unaided eye, it is absent, a reminder that the closest companions of humanity are often unseen. In science fiction, Wolf 359 has been a stage for great battles and stories. In reality, it is a humble, quiet ember in the night. Brighter than all others in our sky is Sirius, the dog star. At just over 8 light-years away, it shines with a dazzling blue-white brilliance. For countless cultures, Sirius has been a guide, a marker of seasons, and a symbol of mystery. Beside Sirius A lies its companion, Sirius B, a white dwarf, the dense remnant of a once mighty star. It whispers of mortality, even among the stars. Farther still rests Luton's star, a small red dwarf just over 12 light-years away. It burns with quiet persistence, its light steady but dim. Astronomers have found planets here too. One perhaps within the habitable zone. Though unlikely to host Earth-like life, it reminds us that planets are everywhere, circling stars of every kind. One of the most hopeful neighbors is Ross 128, only 11 light-years away. Its planet, Ross 128b, rests in the gentle warmth of its star. Unlike Proxima, Ross 128 is quieter, less violent, more forgiving. If life has found a foothold nearby, Ross 128b may be one of the closest places where it thrives. Then comes Epsilon Eridani, a youthful star, alive with activity. Just over 10 light-years away, it is surrounded by dust and belts of debris, the building blocks of planets and comets. It is as if we are glimpsing our own solar system billions of years ago, still in its cosmic childhood. Could planets here be young and raw, their surfaces scarred by impacts, their atmospheres wild and unstable? At 12 light-years away glows Tau Ceti, a star remarkably similar to our Sun. Its steady light has long captured human imagination. Astronomers have found multiple planets in its orbit, some within zones that stir dreams of habitability. But Tau Ceti's planets may be larger, more turbulent, not Earth twins but cousins shaped by different histories. Our stellar neighborhood holds many more. Lalonde 21185, another red dwarf, glowing faintly at just over 8 light-years. Captain's star, an ancient wanderer, nearly 11 billion years old, older than the Milky Way's spiral arms. And beyond them, countless others waiting quietly, their light traveling for years before it brushes against our skies. When we step back, the picture becomes clear. The Sun and its closest companions form only the faintest cluster within an ocean of stars. The distances between them are immense, yet in cosmic terms, they are our neighbors, the closest chapters in a story that spans the galaxy. They remind us that our universe is alive with diversity. From blazing giants to faint red embers, from young stars still building planets to ancient ones that have seen the galaxy grow old. As night falls and we lift our gaze, the light of our stellar neighbors greets us. Some faint, some bright, some hidden from sight, but all part of the same cosmic family. The journey to these stars is far, perhaps beyond our lifetimes, but in imagination and in dreams we are already there.